You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to capture a perfect still frame from any video on your iPhone. Open the Photos app and find the video you want to grab a frame from. Tap to play it as the video plays. Pause it at the exact moment you want to capture. Use the timeline scrubber at the bottom to move frame by frame for precision. Just tap and drag the white bar slowly left or right. Once you have the perfect frame paused, tap the edit button in the top right. In the editing screen, you will see the video timeline at the bottom. Tap the crop icon on the left side, which looks like a square with arrows. In the crop menu, tap the small button in the bottom right. That looks like a box with a broken corner. This is the straighten and rotate tool, but it also reveals the action. Now look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see a small circular shutter button. Tap this button. This captures the current video frame as a new still photo. Tap Done in the bottom right, then select Save as New Clip to keep both the original video and your new photo. The photo will be saved directly to your camera roll with the same timestamp. For more simple iPhone photo tutorials, subscribe to the channel.